Let's be honest. Most people think passive income means money without work. But if that were true, everyone would be rich. So why isn't everyone earning while they sleep? Why do some people build income that keeps flowing, while others stay stuck trading hours for money forever? Here's the truth. Passive income isn't magic. It's not luck, and it's not reserved for rich people. It's a system. And today, I'll break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. What passive income really is. Passive income is not no work. It's front-loaded work. You work first, you build something, you set up a system, and that system keeps producing income over time. Active income pays you once. Passive income keeps paying you repeatedly. So the goal isn't to stop working. The goal is to stop starting from zero every month. Step 1. Build active income. First, every passive income stream starts with active income. You need skills, a job, a business, a service, or a product. Why? Because you need capital, skills, and stability to build systems. Passive income is built, not discovered. So step 1 is simple. Get stable income before chasing passive income. Step 2. Create or buy an asset. Passive income comes from assets. An asset is something that makes money without your daily presence. Examples: digital products, YouTube content, blogs, investments, rental property, online courses, automated businesses. If it doesn't earn without you being there, it's not passive. It's just another job. Step 2 is turn effort into something that can work without you. Step 3. Build the system. Assets don't make money alone. Systems do. You need automation distribution, platforms, processes. This is where income becomes repeatable. Instead of selling once, you sell continuously. Instead of working daily, you maintain, occasionally. Systems turn effort into income streams. Step 4. Reinvest and multiply. Real passive income grows through reinvestment. You don't consume the first profits, you multiply them. You reinvest into better tools, more assets, bigger systems, more distribution. This is how income scales without scaling effort. Money starts building more money. Common beginner mistakes. Most beginners fail because they chase quick money, avoid learning skills, expect fast results, skip systems, fear consistency. Passive income is slow first, then fast, hard first, then easy. If it looks easy in the beginning, it's probably fake. Passive income isn't about escaping work. It's about escaping dependency on time. It's not about doing nothing. It's about building something once that keeps working for you. Start small. Start simple. Start now. Because the best time to build passive income was years ago. The second best time is today.